Dumelang sanbonani, hello my beautiful people. I am Buhle and welcome back to another exciting episode of Speak and Vrostaan Diski podcast. Last time, one. Who decided to rock up at work? But how not? It's very my friend, my long-time friend. Well, sharp. I acknowledge, but since my kueba, but tell no good to sharp.
Awe bafethu imumeja the unknown ongangazi usazongazi. Oh, so by the way, Jody is also here behind the cams. Kamo the visuals is also here. Oh, the last time guys my piles, but it's another story for another day. So yeah, today is Sam Sotra kuzamazama tournament. Itanga sakhuluma kakhulu azini. Wena bona just nje bona uzobona ngecontent ukuthi kwenzakalani. Awezi.
We have the chairman of the tournament. We're just gonna dive through the tournament of what it's based, and he's gonna explain any further with us. My brother, how are you?
Right,
Nami ngiyaphila. Please introduce yourself to abantu ukuthi ubai kamalako wakwabani and what do you do?
Okay, mina ngifostar mathebula ngiphuma eGiyani mara la ngihlala la eOrlando. Lento ngiyenzayo I'm a tournament organizer. Ngiqale le tournament since 2008. Siyenza this tournament now since 5 years so hosta ama top 64. So I support ikhona bangisupport ama team bafika lana bazobheka iball nani niyabona ku busy but all on all siyenzela I community yase Orlando at least abantu bay recognize la South Africa. And then another thing na lento yakuthi susa abafana le kundaba ama drugs nani ukuthi baza bazodlala iball siyenza na crime iba phansi la Orlando.
Okay, so mewuqala this whole tournament, what was that one thing, that main thing you want to achieve with hosting such tournaments?
Okay, lento ngifuna ukuyiachieve ngifuna nami izamazama community sports academy the whole South Africa bayazi because I-aim yami never ngiyeka kwenza tournament before so dlala final eOrlando Stadium, and I promise maybe next year nizosibona busy eOrlando Stadium because the stadium bayenzela ithina but akunabantu lawa bayenzayo lento ama tournament bagcina bayosebenzisa so ilento ngifuna ukuyenza.
Okay, so like we are hosting a tournament in Agasona. Obviously there's going to be challenges that you are facing, of course. So like what are the challenges or the major challenges that you have faced in hosting this tournament all in all?
Okay, my challenges are my sponsors. As now my sponsors nabafika bazosiza even though babona ukuthi lento siyenzela i-community. So sininkinga ama sponsors watholi and lento le idinga imali. So I have only one person wangisizayo financially Mtsenga Holdings. Yibo laba ngisizayo na outside abathi imsimelelo isebenza ku sports and recreation. So if bakhona abanye bazosibheka la ku YouTube ngicela more special ama sponsors abaveli bazosiza because nathi lento siyenzayo we are doing it for the community not for Tina.
So how would you say this whole tournament has impacted i-community yase Orlando like whole in whole?
Yeah, i-community benefita because bafika bazothengisa babona bomama labayenza sibayenzela imisebenzi bathengisa uthola abanye abasebenzi makucala i-tournament bayaza kuthengela abantwana uniform nani because it's create imisebenzi for bona la eOrlando. Yeah.
Okay, so what is it that one thing or a few words of encouragement you could give out to someone who wants to be like you, host the AMA tournament?
Okay, mina lento ngibatshela yona bafethu asibambezeleni even if izinto zibanzima as pushing one day sizoba right nathi we are not saying ukuthi si right sisafuna kuba right so nathi even if dibana nama challenge kanjani singa give up, let's push until sifuna lento siyifunayo.
Thank you so much. We wish you nothing but the best in your journey of hosting AMA tournament. Saying that like people and sponsors can recognize you. You're doing such a great work with when it comes to like putting a positive impact to a community. So we thank you and we wish you nothing but the best. Please tell abantu ukuthi ngicela bafollow Speak and Vrostaan Diski podcast.
Yeah, I'm sure bakuzwile bazofollow mawusuka la uzobona uzabana ama viewers amaningi. Siyabonga.
Thank you.
Bafethu, I have Kaizer Chiefs and Orlando Pirates here. Grootman, can you please introduce yourself?
Oh, afternoon to the audience. Afternoon, guys. I'm Zweli Mnyamezeli wakamachikiza umalunga umntungwa ungcobo undlovu ezidle khanga ukuswela umalusi ngokuzala ngizalelwe eZola 1 la eSoweto. Asibonga.
Okay, Pagania and wena ubani?
Alright, I'll Nagetebo Wabalale from Northern Cape, Kimberley, Bartley West. Nagele Parasele Bafethu. Thank you.
Okay, guys, since you are here, can you please tell me about this tournament? What's going on here and which club do you support in this tournament?
So far, unfortunately, the club that we are going with, the team Sambanayo, in the first round. And then now we are the people of Isoka so far. We favor Isoka because all the players of all the teams, we are familiar with them. Sizopeka nje ipola so far now.
What about you, Grootman Lam?
Yeah, Grootman Laga ya Grootman ay buang ya Diski. Rona Grand Shapar nerfit lemo for Semnani Shisa. Both of us we familiar with the team, the familiar tournament so far because of our team was knocked out the very first day. The tournament it was top 64. So far Ritlo support at Diski is really support at Diski. Because of team Arna Hejiro doesn't mean we don't have to come and support the team today. But so far the tournament is running smoothly and good, and we're looking forward to the win our tournament I think next week.
Okay, when Grootman, since the tournament, I'm pretty sure you are not disappointed because your favorite team, Kaizer Chiefs, is doing very well currently in PSL football. So how do you feel about that, my brother?
I'm proud about the technical staff of Kaizer Chiefs so far, but the head coach, I'm going to be frank, the head coach can take the salary and leave the other guy who's been taking points before we threw with Sundowns, and then it showed yesterday when he seated down that the perfect person in the technical staff, never mind the wages, it must be the guys that he's working with. So far, Sibuelo Aila Malangalanka Akdala, the good times are rolling as such, whereby Masngati Sibuyele Muva, Begna was Karangobese, like Umfundo Villagaz is there for the thing, Ukshekanje Stadium, Nama fans, Nama opponents. And then there were likes of Abo Chabupule, Abo Chunya Kanya, we can name them, Abo Skapi Malati. Before those people, Labo Bekonabo Stika Fredericks, Bekonabo Tiki Tiki. Before those, Bekonabo TDA school sebekhona bo Dr. Kumar whereby bebathi mabenyakaza noma bengangenanga, but the stadium, the atmosphere changes for the team, and then the opponents bavele babe drunk or babe traumatized, and then we used to score. Those days are coming back now. I'm seeing it. Before those people, Opera Computer Lamula, Wangale Eastern, the person who gave me chess number 10, Bengibangisa ngisadlala ibola. I'm going to prolong just a little bit. La kulama tournament size njenge KFF. KFF is Kasi football fans, people who knows all the tournaments of all the regions, what is happening and the players. If you need an information about all the tournaments, you know the chairmen, the organizers, the players, we are all sort of people in KFF, which is Kasi football fans. There's KFS, whereby is Kasi football soccer, whereby he has just stopped me. Tebs, let him continue, please. Thanks a lot for the time.
Okay, Nyabonga Grootman. Tebs, are you happy with Orlando Pirates and the coach?
Yeah, before Kikena Muntelimo, yeah, Pirates and Chiefs, yeah, Pirates. Nikimo stop in terms of the KFS. So I far deeper to the KFS, it's something else. Okay, sharp, yeah, Pirates, eh? Pirates. The season arena not good, but we're going there. Our coach, Kawana Fitla, I think the mistake that he did, go Tomaga his own team, whereas we had a winning team from last season. We start from Morefelete Moteng, then we pushing forward. Those new players, we introduce slowly but surely, 1 by 1, 2 by 2, whatsoever. There are games we need them mostly. There are games let me introduce Utebza as a Ramasan last season. Understand? But then you come in first season or first few months. Kenya 7 players, 7 new players. That's Orlando Pirates. It's a big team. How do you Pirates is para? your shoulders, you need to be a big man. How to can I feel like Pirates so really more starting 11? Doesn't happen that way. And then another thing, Pirates. What I've seen, few 5-6 games, Urele hasn't been himself because of that thing. Is going out, affected. So to me, especially, I would say those guys are Paris. The boy is still young. They are pregnant. That mindset, is going out of the country. It's a moyen. Understand? So that the boy can be back to himself. South Africa. Hopefully next season or next year, team to Amakos. We coming to you guys next year. Ratakolena, we seeing her now. You guys are going forward, but Ratakolena, it's okay. We coming to you guys. Thank you.
Okay, Grootman, are you winning the league this season?
As someone who's got adequate knowledge about soccer so far, I've been a coach. I will tell you that story. I won't sideline the story of from here in the grassroots. If you are a coach, the first 5 games, I look those first 5 games, I'm expecting 15 points. For now, it's 13 points. Wow. It's a wow in the team. Definitely sure you are going for the league. We will see it.
Okay, thank you, my brother. Tebza. Yeah, I hope now you feel the same about the league.
For the league, we're going. For the league. For the league, we are going. Renopa is a for these few games. Today, to bear sharp.
Okay. Okay, Kazinyabong, Kali Hak.
Before they hack, please, man. I need to tell you guys, gune talented ningi la grassroots, and these people abana guidance. We by nama background dabo, our coded adequate. Let people who are elder than them, those ones, aba fail abo naguma opportunities about to about misuser, banga demoralize the coming youth. So far, people know that I'm the founder of Izola All Stars, Ekineba Soweto All Stars, and then Ekineba SSU, Yakinibuya Iba One Last Dance. I'm the person who created the Flair La Elukshini Ngade team. Unfortunately, Ngatata Endele ngeko right, Ngat destroy Abantwana would bang Ekeden Gwabo by introduce Imari Kasi football. The thing is damaging mindset Abantwana. May you please guys stop that thing. This is a main for the good of the game. Thanks to those guys who are motivating Abo Masindi, like Abo Mfundo Vilagazi, Abo Mtutus. Those are all the boys that Sbatachera Queen, Abo Zakele. I can name them, it's endless list. But now I'm requesting, would let us look after these children. Lawabane talented, Editega, Bestadesi Bugelas Bong. Say Abonga for interview so far, Kosi for life.
Pioneer for life.
Sharp. To here I have Nelaine Trafford. I hope you have seen him before in our podcast. My brother, how you doing?
I'm good and you, bro.
Yeah, please send your greetings to Jody behind the cams and Kamo.
Yo, Jody, how's it, bro? Jody, how's how's it, bro? Aleka.
Today I came to watch you playing, my brother. I saw you playing. How did you play?
First off, it was a difficult one. We had to fight our way into it, but we got one, but it was too late, and unfortunately we didn't get the result we wanted. But other than that, I'm happy with the guys' performance. It can always get better. Yeah.
Okay, because I didn't watch, really watching, ne? So yeah, which position you were playing? Because last time you told me that you are playing as a winger, but I saw you running through in the midfield. What's going on, my brother?
No, coach. When he introduced me, he told me I should start on the left so that I can give the team some width. Because first half we were playing with a diamond in midfield and 2 attackers, so we didn't have a lot of crosses. So when he introduced me, he wanted more crosses, more 1v1. Progress, more subs, and I went as a 10 and he gave me free roll. So I had joy to go wherever I can go inside the field.
Okay, so since we are playing here, your real club, Highlands Park, they don't have a problem that we are playing here?
Currently at the moment I'm no longer at Highlands Park because the team got relegated to SAB. So now currently I'm still without a club, so that's why I'm here trying to push to get a new move or get an opportunity somewhere here, you know.
Okay, since Orlando Pirates is struggling, don't you think going back there and try again?
It's always an option, but it's not as easy as just going, you know. There's certain procedures and stuff you need to follow, but I'm confident that I'll get a good team.
Okay, I will get you an agent. Kamo is a soccer agent, so he will try to find a solution for you, my brother.
Thank you, no problem. Thanks, man.
Guys, now I have another player from Tricky Boys. Vrostaan, can you please introduce yourself?
Ngutumelo mina wakazwane, born and bred in Vosloorus. I'm a right back.
Oh, okay, you complain about our referee. What happened?
If maybe you were watching the game, honestly speaking, he was against us, but we understand because we are from a far place, so it's bad because now it has caused a commotion and it's sad having to lose to a team like this, and with the special players that we have as Tricky Boys, it's very sad and it's heartbreaking.
Okay, Vrostaan, since you know football is not fair sometimes, so tell me one thing that you would like to change about football. Anything, I'm going to change at Diski. After changing this, everything is over grand.
Like because it's messing up talent. You come here, you bring out your A game, and then so muntu a fair penalty, then he said it's a fair play. I'm like, hi Buffett, come on Buffett, it's sad. If I'm to change that, simple.
Okay, Vrostaan. So let me tell you something. In our podcast, we only talk with the best players. That's why it's busy. So tell me, into like
discipline. That's the only thing that I can say. Discipline, because without discipline, other than that, you can't. Discipline, self-correct, then you're good to go. That's why discipline again.
When mantombazana nix.
That's a story for another day. But I would say I'm batsand fit.
Okay, Vrostaan for isikhathi. I hope next time in tournament is we win. Otherwise, we are a good player.
Thank you very much.
But it's very German. I can't get German Shepherd or get German car or ing, but it's fine. We're gonna let him introduce yourself.
Mini kamala mune umputi. Bangibiza ngo GMM.
Manje newo before nje siya about the tournament namhlanje. Ngicela ukuthi usitshele ukuthi what motivated you to play football? What inspired you rather to play football?
Mina into engispayile kakhulu ukuthi la ngiphuma khona. So I'm playing it for my family kahle.
Okay.
Yeah.
So I don't think this is the first game of the tournament, yabo. Sharp. Overall, how did you find the performance yakho when as an individual and ne team yakho? How did you find the tournament in and all?
On my side I can say like I played well, and also my team like they played well. So it's part of the game which is losing.
Okay.
But like we fought as a team.
Speaking of losing, how did you take the win? Khona abanye bayithatha ukuthi fok mina ngiyaliyeka ibhola, so wena how did you take the lose?
I can like take it as a building sport. I mean, young build. Building character. So it's part of the game, like Nishida. So it'll bounce back.
Okay. So if there's one thing you'd change about Kasi football, what would it be?
I can say, football is all about moments.
Okay.
It's not like all about dribbling and running. Sometimes like moments you need to like like always be a step ahead. Yeah.
Referencing to Ama moment, tell us about like your like that one proudest moment as a football player. That moment where you felt I wanna know Moki proud, very proud.
I like the moment I'm proud and obviously for my team I'm Sundowns. But I wouldn't go deep into the details, but I'll say like Sundowns, let me say that.
Okay, so now tell us about Uguti, Udlalela EP team, like what are your future plans as a football player?
Okay, currently I'm not playing, but like I'm looking to get a job or to get a team like anytime soon from now on.
So of course, unama fans, mancane badala, like what is it that one thing you'd want to say to your fans and some words of encouragement or motivation to ama fans wako or abantwana abancane who are looking up to you?
Uguti, like always have faith in yourself and trust in yourself. Ngoba mina like I have believe in myself no matter what. Uthi ngiphansi or ngiphezulu, I'll always believe in myself.
We wish you nothing but the best ku-journey yakho. Sengathi ungaphuma be star leso CEO. Mina I'm your fan. Mina. Yeah. Thank you.
I have one of the best players kuzamazama tournament. Awe Rotmani Kamo la mungumecha ngiphethe bani?
Phethu Neo Max.
Okay, no Max. So far since team yakho idlalile kule tournament, umuntu obukela uzothanda ukwazi because I top 60, I think 65. Umuntu obukela uzothanda ukwazi ukuthi since tournament iqalile, team yakho idlala njani so far?
So far ngasho ukuthi sidlala kahle from first game swine kahle. Second game nakhona swine kahle. It was just unfortunate nje namhlanje yabo. It is the part of the game, yes.
Yeah, okay, Rodman Lami. Oyidlalayo and style of play sakho ungasdescribe like kanjani usicompare nobani so?
Position engidlala engibest kuyo number 10. Ngoba ngithanda abantu base Europe ngasho ukuthi abo Bernardo Silva style. Yeah.
Since the tournament iqalile awukafaki umuntu ishibobo because most people bayakwazi everywhere la udlala khona ukuthi wena uduma ngeshibobo kahle kahle.
Angashaya ayivelanga nje ayivelanga.
Ayitholanga chance. Okay, Rodman Lami, ngiyabonga for isikhathi sakho. So, mawubhekile since team yakho iphumile iphi team engathatha le tournament?
Sangawabukeli most yazi mara basasekhona abo Skepe abo Tricky Boys maningi nje ama team strong yabo. So isazodlalwa kahle kahle.
Okay, Rodman Lami, ngiyabonga all the best for wena ne.
Ngiyabonga njalo.
We have one of the people who contributes positively into this tournament, Madala Ujwang.
Kideng sister wena kai.
Nami ngishaphi ngicela utshela abantu ukuthi wena ubani wakwabani and what do you do?
Okay, sanibonani njani? Kamala Mumzondile, ngihlala Snake Park. I'm a street vendor. Ngiyasengisela ngiyasikhakaze.
So manje baba Mzwandile ngicela ukuthi usitshele ukuthi le tournament le ikusize kanjani wena as a street vendor.
Okay, rathi le tournament yanginceda ngoba ngisuke Snake Park ngize Orlando so libele ngisiphandela kahle ukuthi at least ngithole into yokudla eyokulala kube le profit nyana yokusibekela something ukuthi ngisithengele impahla bese ngithenga ukudla nje.
Siyabonga. So besides ukuthi le tournament lena iyakusiza wena as a street vendor, okay yini enye into oyithandayo about this whole tournament?
Okay, into engithandayo ngahlakade mina ngumuntu osengiselayo ngikhona eSnake Park ekhoneni etaxi rank njengoba ngisithengisela kahle.
So mawubhekile le tournament lena iimpacta kanjani i-community?
Impacta ngokuthi khona boma into yokujabula ukuthi abantu bangaplema ama-drugs balethe ukuthi bangatshontshi interesting ukubukela ibhola ngokuthi into lencane zizobukela ibhola khona abantu abathanda amaplay ukuthi nami ngathi ngabalo bese bayeza bazobukela ibhola.
Okay, siyabonga baba Mzwandile, we wish you but nothing the best ku business yakho ngathi ngakhula indlondlobale. Siyabonga, thank you for coming for an interview also.
Ngiyabonga sister, danko.
Awe bafethu ngiphethe uSpirometer, one of the best football fans eKasi. Awe Spiro Rodman Lami njani?
Amnandi Togi. Switch on. Sankhona yimu Spiro bafethu khona. hamba nomtakasi vele.
Oh, okay, Rodman Lam, since uva nomhlakasi, ngicela ungitshele for umuntu ongazi ukuthi kwenzakalani. Umhlakasi so far uyenza njani kule tournament?
Umtakasi ulibele shabantu awubona idlali langa lishisa basifaka uma last game angithi simpote sibesishaba. Last week iswina 32-0 okayibona updating. Fresh kanyiwa siphethe uBlackberry indoda emnyama. Speedometer ngapha sibesishabantu. Umtakasi no, I can say no. Umtakasi is the biggest team in amateur football currently. DANKO.
Okay, because most people bakwazi ukumamba. What happened? Why ujone umtakasi wachikela imamba? Because most people nomuntu obukela ukwazi u25 imamba. What happened da?
Njami eshiyazi empilweni izinto zashintsha. Fana no check wakho waqala sase high school nokumiyeka ngithi usothola umunye mushi izinto zashintsha. Uyabona sitshintshile. Lo yabe ngithola naye high school no sengithola no fresh manje. Uyangithola? Yeah.
Okay, ibhizinisi lakho lamacanda Rodman lami lihamba kanjani namacanda malini ngathanda ukwathenga yazi?
Amaqanda ay4 mina ngibathengisa ngenkani noma ngane appetite uzolidla iqanda ngeke ngihawunde ngani ilanga lishisa kanje abantu bangathengi amaqanda R4 bafethu speedometer ezinje zase Soweto uyangibona nangeskin sami ukuthi ay quality le clever
tshela abantu ukuthi mtakasi
wachimilana mtakasi ngachibuza ngachi khwi DANKO
yabo ngiyathaka Rodman Love. Okay,
Okay, my beautiful people, we have one of the commentators who plays such a huge role in this tournament. So I'm just gonna let him introduce himself. My brother, please tell abantu ukuthi ubani wakwabani and what do you do?
My sister Kamo Sbusiso or Keswa Pansike Pekville Mangwani Nabamanzo Mtanda Batike, the platinum voice of Pekville. I'm the one of the tournament, the commentator Lagos Amazama. I've been here from top 4, top 16, top 32, and then now it's top 64.
Okay, so tell me about the experience yako since ukalile in this tournament to commentator. Tell me about your experience.
My sister experience again shoot cool, but then I've been there in the game, but then I know everything. Sometimes I don't use I'm team list, but then according to my experience I ngiwasebenzisa ama team list like cause sengiyabaza abadlali abaningi cause then nama tournament abhaya ngiwasebenzayo ngendlela right yabo, so ama player ngiyawazi ukuthi okay lona ubani then lona ubani yabo, izinto ezikanjalo yabo. So experience yami ngasho ukuthi angeke ngisho ukuthi inkulu kakhulu, but then I'm getting there.
Okay, so this tournament in a whole, how is it beneficial? How would you say it impacts positively?
Yeah, because ngiyabona ngomuntu ongasebenzi yabo. So njengoba ngingasebenzi nje kanje naphethe umntama ngiyabona ngiyakwazi ukuthi ngirente, ngiyakwazi ukuthi ngidle, ngiyakwazi ukuthi ngibhadale ingane zami emakhaya yabo into kanjalo, so I'm benefiting.
Okay, so ucabanga ukuthi i-affecta kanjani community le tournament le?
Okay, train sharp i-tournament kunabantu ama-vendors ya office la abantu abadayisa office they benefiting, yeah, because they selling, then abantu bayabhaya from le tournament iphethe ama-team from KZN, from Gauteng as a whole, then kunama-team asevali, kunama-team akude, so like abantu abaningi.
Yeah. So wena lana ubani i-favorite player yakho kule tournament and eyiphi team oyisupportayo?
No.
What do you mean no? Usitshela ngithi it's your own opinion ukuthi uthanda iphi team and which player?
No, I can't ukuthi mina ngithanda iphi team because I'm a commentator.
But you're allowed to have a favorite.
I'm not.
You're not? Okay, sharp, we're gonna skip that one. So there's abantu lana, you'd never know, but like the kids abancane who are looking up to you, who want to go through indlela yakho le commentator. So like what advice would you give them?
Yazi i-advice engabatshela ukuthi eba wena nje kuphela.
Okay, we wish you nothing but the best. Umsebenzi wakho muhle futhi uyancomeka. Please do not forget ukubatshela ukuthi ba follow iSpeak and Vrostaan.
Speak and Vrostaan.
Diski podcast isho.
Speak and Vrostaan, Diski podcast. Yo, mara silungisa ngihlula.
It's fine my brother. Thank you for your time.
Thank you.
Sharp.
njami voice yami yaphethe ngicela ungenzela.
Mutakasi hey. Yeah. Oh, sorry guys, I thought maybe my team was scoring and stuff, hence we are being led 1-0, so we can continue, my guy. So
okay, my brother, before you go any further, can you please introduce yourself?
Okay, I go by the name of Edzisani. I'm a #1 fan of Mutakasi FC. Probably somewhere somehow I'm featured in media and stuff. Yeah, but we are here to support the team regardless of anything, because we know now we are building a brand of which probably it's a big brand. Yeah, but we are still on the stage of whereby we're still building a brand. But in one of the days, maybe izinto ziyokanya nathi sibe right. It's funny with the likes of 80 members where they've left a brand and they've left a mark. Everywhere where 80 members is playing, people are there, they want to see what's happening. But we are here now. We are the reigning current champions of Phillies games. Then we lost this year. I can't remember which date was it, in Pretoria, from each of champion Phillies games. But from that, we learn and we soldier on as a machita. They even know the players which are playing here right now. Yes.
Okay, because right now your team is 1-0 down, and in your team I have my favorite player, which is Blackberry. So since it's first half and your team is 1-0 down, what do you think about this game?
So far so good. What I saw in this game, the team that we are playing with, of which it's Mango FC, they got the chance within the 2 minutes opening stages, then they scored. But from there we are busy knocking. Surely if the luck is on our side, the goal will come. Like everyone here, you can even ask, like nabo bayabona, like hopefully God will see our prayers and nomzamo lo siyenzayo ukuthi igoli likhona ukufika, but amanzi amancane lawo. But I do believe that we're going to bounce back. Hence yesterday, even if yesterday when we were playing in Tembisa, the same thing happens. Within 5 minutes they scored us, then we came back, conquered, we scored 3 goals. Then at the later stage of the second half, they scored another goal, of which by it was already too little too late. Then Babuya, Bakorele 2, then we defeated them 3-2. But so far so good. There's nothing bad here. I can't judge my players. Just that moment when, as players, you are not switching on, or you are not switched on. So like, Sizobuya, so far so good. There's nothing wrong that I'm seeing with the players. I can't blame Mugutuba, Nuyenzani. Everyone is fighting for the team. Hopefully, I just pray so that we can get that 1 goal before halftime. Then everything's gonna be settled.
Okay, Njam, because you know, Ekasi, everyone loves Ushugela.
Yes.
And Mina, I'm a bit disappointed because we have Namu Otanda Ushugela. So, what do you think coach like something coach my player for the second half with by end? Because Mina, surely I want your team to win so that I can see something sugar and spice nyana.
Okay, Nyaguza, my brother, ne? If Bobugele, there are Phillies games of which we play, ne? I think basically can't remember the name of the team, or was it Tembis, or yeah, I think it was Tembis if not mistaken. There was his score was 1-1 at that particular time. It was 5 minutes left without the optional added time, mega referee. Then Blackberry, no PlayStation. Yes, they did the Makumba dance. Balala, Peswebola, Bayenzan, Batensa. After that moment, what happened?
They scored.
Exactly. They came back to Blackberry, Watati Bola,
Traveler pass.
Exactly. Wabonu Muntu, Wal releaser. The minute you know it, it was a goal. So maybe it's something of which we can introduce right here, because still on, we have not been to half time. But hopefully in half time, uzokhuluma nawo amachita abatshela ukuthi into efunakalayo, since nathi sama fans wayo si supporter everywhere they play and we go using our own money regardless of anything. Hopefully they will reward us good. That's one thing I like about my team. And I believe Guti sizokonkara like just saying as a player, but you can't know Guti football wenzakala. Soccer is soccer. Anything can happen at the end of the day. And we have to score early within the match. But I do believe we'll get 1 goal, then the game will be settled, then we'll take it from there.
As you know, as we said, the score is 1-0 and it's still first half. So anything is possible. Diski leli imutakase isangabuya equalize ifake ushugela. Yes, mutakase. Ngicela ubashayela.
Mutagasi iko uda. Stage 8 load shedding. First time we initiated stage 8 load shedding in Pretoria. Up until the final. That's where Saba defeated Con. Saba Cheluguti before it's tournament ikala. Pretoria. What happened? We went to the final and lost. Then Ukesu Wabuya foot. Then we did that. Even here, when we started here, I even told them, Aguna case Orlando, right now as we are speaking. Aguna case. Ukesu Zoba corner if we get eliminated from the tournament. But if we are still here, Ukesu Zoba corner. But one thing I can tell you, this is an uprising team. It's a Kulai brand. It's team 2022. But we have achieved many things of which we call a team of which but they are failing. Ask yourself, if you have a good heart, you're part of a player, and then let's say now you're part of a player from coaching staff, the management, and supporters as well. So like you have to reward our supporter now so that ni build a brand ukuthi nayo ikhule. So far so good. I can say ukuthi Mtakasi is the best team ekasi, but we are trying by all means to get to the top. Lapho esingathi khona we are the best ekasi sekubusa thina. Impilo awuthami uyazi mawukhula uyazalwa emhlabeni ube ithodla. Mawuzalwa kwamele wenzeni ukuthi mawukhule uyakhokhoba. After ukhokhoba uyenzani? So uyaqala ukwenza ama footsteps uyahamba, then kanjalo you become an adult uyakhula kanjalo. So that's what we are building here. Okay, kwamanje la sikhokhobile si right manje siyaqala ukwenzani ama footsteps. After ama footsteps sesikhulile sesibadala manje. That's what's gonna happen.
Hey my brother, I can see you talk too much and you are very vocal. So my brother, tell me, do you get hands?
My man, surely probably can we just slide?
I'm just kidding. I'm just kidding.
Okay, it's fine. I've made a mpila na but I can't disclose ukuthi ubani uyenza nani umede wami kurathu yazi ukuthi I'm a football fanatic and she is as well a football fanatic.
So who's your favorite player in Mutakasi FC?
Mutakasi, it's Tete Fly out here. Tete Fly. Yes, jersey number 15. They were hold up a midfielding akon is a defending midfielder. They were hold up on a corner. Okay, I can see about black abantu bama tricks and stuff. Good bakhona ukulashisa inqondo wama opponents. So that's going to push on, but Tete Fly so far so good. He is.
Okay, my brother, thank you for your time.
I really appreciate it, my man.
Kulma too much.
Like I have to, my man. I have to let people know what brand we are building right here. Yes.
I hope seniors lapho, everyone who's watching, mlandelele lapho Mutakasi.
Stage 8 load shedding. Mutakasi Zamolo. Thank you, my brother. I really appreciate it.
Sharp.
For the very first time in my journey and my career as a whole, ngiyaqala nga uku-interview abantu besifazane. Thank you so much for the opportunity. Cala nizi-introduce kubantu abanganazi ukuthi ningabobani and what do you do? Ngizocala ngawo my sister.
Okay, mina ngubhasani ngihlale eShawela and ngisupporta ye-Tricky Boys. Okay, ngisupporta yebholo kahle. Niranda bholo basically. Each and every team namanje ngiyabukela bomdakasi noma i-team yami idliwe but ngithanda ibhola. That's what I do the most.
Okay. And then mina nguhlekani nami I'm a Tricky Boys fan. So like ngila kuzobukela ibhola as my team lost today but I'm here to support the other teams that are playing. So yeah.
Okay, speaking of losing, Nina as ama supporters we team, how did you take the lose?
I see Tatanga Shem. It was difficult. I think so, and mostly if it gave me, it was not fair. Like I ain't fair. Mara lagu I refer. It's a loss, and then we move on. Mara it's fine. Going forward, so konulungisa la science and my mistakes corner and see what is let's learn.
Okay. Yes, and for ugutsing bani game namhlanje, like it was not fair for us. like bebasiroba ama-ref, like we saw ama-penalties like asiwatholanga and everything. It was not fair game, so I don't want to lie, I'm not happy at all. Yeah.
Okay, such things ziyenzeka vele yabo. Okay, tell us about the tournament as a whole. Like, how do you find the tournament? Like, in your own perspectives, you find the tournament, and how do you think it contributes positively to the community?
Okay, mina about this tournament, honestly speaking, lava ku vulavula ntiyiso, ni twa ingaku ina ti favorism, more special ka ti team. Kuna ku team ile hayizonda abatirhi ku bolo ifanike iba bolo straight. Bana ngitsa just because we hate this team, we have to make sure that this team iyaphuma ku tournament, but they must fix that. Siyayithanda more especially this tournament. I tournament ezamazama siyayithanda abantu bethu Soweto. Basically everyone bayayithanda, so bamele bayifix ayingabi nama favorism kuthi izokhula yaphambili.
Yeah, the way I show ngakhona usisi ukuthi ina my favorism, I agree with her, because mawungabheka namhlanje la bayasiroba, and then nalawa ama team ase-Palm and stuff, makuthi kune tricky boys, hayi shame abasithandi. Kuthi kunamashangana aphuma eshawela, they don't like it, and we don't love that, because siyangenelela lama team lawo. Siyangena siyadlala, but still they don't see us as abantu nje serious nuts.
You guys can do better. You can do better. Stop doing that. You can do better. Okay, so there's this I'd call it a stigma yokuthi abantu besifazana balazi ibhola. You know, so Nina, like yini into engingabatshela yona labantu labo ukuthi okay, abantu besifazana balazi ibhola, they're just there because kunabantu besilisa kunabafana. Like that. Like for real, those are some of the things that I get. And my IQ when it comes to football, but it's fine. So Nina, like, how do you take that and like into enjani? Like, how does it affect South African football as a whole?
Okay, kule side labafazi, side labasati. I think bamele babasati banganangutisi ku ribere kuna babanuna bolweni. Inala kuta bolweni oranda bolo, and if I can tell you, mina nalona we've been friends sisabancane, and besithanda Chiefs sithanda kuye stadium sasebancane, and then now one day the other guy athi asambeni ebholweni le yasekasi. We didn't understand anything about this, but just only one day ngabukela le lama game ama tournament yasekasi ngavela ngathi okay, let me join this one, let me join this team ngathi idlala kahle plus yasekasi, so kwavela kwabanjalo. But bangayi ngokuthi la kunamadoda, asizana amadoda guys, we just came here just because we love soccer, and then after here we're going straight home. There's nothing yabona nokuphuza. I'm very much sober here. So
like what I can say is about soccer is not for men, or I can say guys, it's for everyone. We also have banyana, there are also ladies who play soccer. So mina ibhola ngiyayithanda, because even in rugby abanye like they have that thought yokuthi rugby it's about white people. It's not about white people. We both watch cricket, we both watch rugby, so it's for everyone. Yeah.
Okay, so you know, like people don't pay that much attention to women's football. So like what do you think we can do to change that, and then we get more focus? As much as we're getting focus on men's football, we can get much focus on women's football. What is it that one thing you think we can do?
I think you should start doing this kind of tournament for our ladies, and then for mama teams. That's when izinto zizoyenzakala khona. Because if let's say mina ngithanda ibhola, I can even try to play it, and then bakhona labayithandayo straight nokudlala, they can even do that. But if like let's say Tricky Boys, we don't have a team yabo girls, and they've never even spoke about it. So yabona mangaba if kune team, and then but okay, now we still have to form this ladies team. That's when isn't those change are going forward.
Like my thought is, once you understand ikasi football, maybe that's when you will know kuti even namantombazana ngadlala. Like this is a South African country, like it's a free country. Even ladies, they can do this, even men, they can do this. What men can do, also ladies can do it. So yes, even the ladies soccer, they need to understand that, you know what, singayibukela ibhola yamantombazana the same way sibukela ibhola yamafana. So yeah, it's the same thing.
Okay, what is it that one thing you change about Kasi football? One thing you change about Kasi football?
You know,
okay.
You know, if bangayeka lama favorism ne, they understand kuti, okay, it's Tricky Boys, there's Ndagasi, there's Kepe, there's this and that, ne. You don't have to kuti, okay, just because Tricky Boys they are playing, you have to say, okay, ngiyabathanda laba ngoba baphume Soweto eShawel. No, you don't have to do that. You have to be fair to every team. So uzobona ukuthi i-tournament izohamba kahle.
So fairness.
Yes.
That's what you can change. Yeah. Okay. So we as we are standing lana, and as you said, ukuthi ningama supporters we're Tricky Boys. So like, is there like any message you could give to your supporters?
Kuma supporter Tricky Boys.
Yes.
Guys, I come in kuya mahlweni like it's Tricky Boys bambanile shem. We love each other, we support each other. More especially maguna funeral ngakubonisa maguna if someone kune funeral kubo. We make sure that we contribute. Whatever that happens to that family, we are there for them. So let's keep on doing this, man, for one another. Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, because Tricky Boys it's a one team. So in fact, it's a one family. Because magna ceremony, if maybe you have something on your family, siya Caesar. We don't mind. Siya contributor. We enjoy whatever that we are doing. So, yeah, as Pambanense be one team, it's fine.
Thank you so much for your time. I admire your work and I wish you guys nothing but the best. Good journey as Tricky Boys and as Tricky Boys supporters. Like it really is encouraging seeing women who field esona, which is sports. Yeah, it just builds something igmina. So I wish you nothing but the best in your future, guys. Thank you, thank you, thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
I'm back again, guys. I'm with Umalume lana. Malume peka umuhle kanjani? By the way, can you please introduce yourself?
Yeah, ngongele mina ngumashiya mahle osibusiso sohadebelo. Yeah, sure.
Oh, ngicela uintroduce no Bobby.
Yeah, lo umuntu wami lo baby uCherry kamalaki.
Ban kamalake?
uCherry.
Oh, okay. The last time I met you, you told me that you have a message for football fans, Wara and Junior Kanya. So yeah, you can deliver your message now.
Junior Kanya uchama angatwali chizi ngabe yabona. Yeah, chizi awuchami ebashayelo utheyela ushay 5 games. Awuchama. Ichizi chizi. Udlalile boyinkomo. Junior Kanya awuchama. So awujam ngicela kahle iChiefs win yabona seolanda kasadlala ule ground number 2 ground la seolando yeah la team kaw ungodlala number 2 ground hayi
angaze ngadlala la wena khadlala la
yeah mina ngidlalile la sekastlami
obakwazi ngobani igama lakho lebhola
ngorama
waye babiza ngorama Why bakubiza ngorama?
Buzusomizi why bambiza ngorama?
Why
Somizi?
Why but why Somizi?
Ayibeng advertiser njengoSomizi.
Uyakwazi uSomizi?
uSomizi.
Advertise ram?
DANKO. Advertise rama.
Oh, okay, Matala, are you happy? Because I can tell you're happy and manje ngathi uphuzile. Tell people about the Kaizer Chiefs so far. Performance yabo because
Cause forever ucham. Cause forever. Cause forever. Cause for life. Cause forever ngitshela.
Singakutshela. Batshele futhi.
Cause forever.
Abaculela ingoma eChiefs.
Mngani wami ngangitshele ke.
Ngicela ucule Matala.
Angizakhona ukucula manje. Yabona kunamazinyo awujam.
Okay, it's good to see too. Sizozama ingoma eChiefs wena ilire ngizokulandela.
Yo Hazamelolo Ziola lebete Azamelolo Ziola lempete.
Okay, Matala. So, since Chiefs the winner, are you happy with Chief Aviro Hambili?
Hey, you put a coach. Don't win, hambe. I'm not. Arambe. Ambe.
Nyabonga ne. Siyabonga ne Matala.
Sure. Very binjo. Ne, yeah, nami bengimangele njengani ukuthi binjo, but it's fine. Uzositshela ukuthi buya phela le nickname yakhe yabo. Sharp, my brother, how are you? I'm ngiyaphila. Cela usi introduce to some of the people abangakwazi ukuthi ubani wakwabani and which team do you play for?
Okay, ngegama ngusibonelo kamkhonza. Well known as Binjo Lolo. I don't remember which it is kanjani, but igama sokuthi selihleli vele, like I had to just embrace the name and yeah.
Okay, so tell us about game yakho yanamhlanje. How do you feel about your game? Yeah, mawubhekile wena as an individual udlale kanjani and ne team yakho in a whole?
Yeah. I think my results ayazikhulumela because had it been ukuthi I had a good game and the team had a good one, we would have won, obviously, yabo. So individually, ngasho ukuthi somehow I could have done better. Ukuthi team win as much as song as a collective, we could have made an impact to win a game. But unfortunately, today it wasn't our day. It wasn't a game here too, and my opponents had a better. Yeah, they had a better one than us. So yeah, I think that's why our results are today. We are playing a corner salusi game namhlanje.
Okay, shortly, tell us about journey yakho as a football player, and tell us what made you to choose football.
Journey yami, it's one of the greatest journey, and kule journey ngihambile. I'm mostly grateful. You understand? I'm the person that I am today because of lento engiyenzile, and I've traveled, done the things that I've done through football. You understand? And I believe ukuthi ibhola lingiqoqile. It has made me the person that I think I am, and the person enguthi ngibonwa njengaye. So it's one of the things ukuthi nanoma ngihleli phansi, I'm proud of the journey ngihambile and the impact engibanayo ebantwini through this football thingy. You understand? So it has been a journey. Yeah, it has been a journey. Beautiful one since khathi ebuhlungu, but it's inclusive. Yeah.
So which team like Kasi football would you say like they were the toughest opponents you faced since you started playing in Kasi football, and why do you say that?
I think I've never taken an opponent for granted. No ngaba maphi, you understand? So I wouldn't specifically say yipi, but one another thing yazi ukuthi onke ama-opponent aza emagamini azimisele, you understand? Being it I become victorious or baba victorious, but one another ama-opponents ama-opponent, so you can't take ama-games lightly or ukuthi ama-opponent are strong or are weak, but one another, even the other ama-coaches awamanye ama-team aset game or some player that they know they're gonna compete and make it hard for team as an opponent to actually win against them. You understand? So I wouldn't specifically say Gucci, but all the teams in Gucci I find myself playing against one, they play a good one. They play a good one. Yeah.
So tell me, how do you handle pressure from fans, good touchline? Like how do you handle that?
Being in the field, I think, yeah, that one it's tough, and especially because I'm a fan, I like to zan, anything can happen. But I think it's how you carry yourself. You understand? It's how you respect the game, and if you respect the game will also respect you in a way. So I've never had a bad encounter against my fans because I've always respected those people because so I've always believed in respecting whoever who's in the football fraternity, so that so The pressure is there, yes, but the pressure ukuthi deliver what they know me for. So the pressure ukuthi every time when I wake up and I have to give these people what they know me for. So that's the pressure ngibanayo ngesikhathi esiningi.
I quote, speaking of uyasho manje ukuthi what they know you for. Ne, what would you like yini le abakwazi ngayo? Sifuna ukuyazi nathi ukuthi nathi sikwazi ngale nto le sazi ukuthi ubinje mfana ayi stase.
I don't like blowing my own horn, you understand? But yes, okay. Well, okay, I might be different from the others. But one thing engazi ukuthi most of the people abayithandayo for me now, the passing, the shooting, the scoring, something ukuthi makes me unique amongst abanye abantu. You understand? It's something ukuthi nami when I get an opportunity to advise omunye umuntu, I advise them based on what I'm strong at, which is being able to use both my legs, shooting, creating opportunities of which I believe ukuthi bhola into efunakalayo. So I've as much as bhola kuyimfundo every time, but there are certain things in which I always learn to master. As much as umuntu angathi I'm mastering them, but I'm still learning to master them. So those are the kind of things mhlawumbe umuntu ukuthi ngivela ngazo. You understand? Hearing from people outside, yeah.
Any few words for your fans and also words of encouragement for abantwana abancane who are looking up to you?
Being humble, man. Being humble and respecting into yenzayo. And food, the most important thing, ukuhlonipha abantu. Ukwazi umuntu ukuthi yini, because as much as you can think you are binjo, binjo without the people, you understand. So one of the fundamental things engingazi understand empilweni ukuthi uhloniphe into yenzayo and stay grounded, you understand. So nakhona believing in yourself, believing kulento oyifunayo, you understand. So that will be the advice to the upcoming ones ukuthi if something you're destined for it, ilwele until yenzeke. If ayenzakalanga, be proud ukuthi okay, you put in a good fight for leyo nto leyo, because not all the time abantu they don't reach la bafuna ukureach khona ngenxa yokuthi babazekelele. Fight and then ubone ukuthi okay yazi you fought but you couldn't or you didn't based on kwezinye izinto. You don't have to have ama regrets, you understand. So that's the only thing, because into enginakile manje abantu when some players that I know or I knew when they get opportunities and then zingaphasi, they doubt themselves, bazithathela phansi bazenza, and forgetting ukuthi that's a learning curve, you understand, because from each and every hiccup ekhona empilweni it's a learning curve which okay, how do I improve from that and this and that, you understand. So it's one of the advices engaphana ngakuthi stay grounded to your hustle, to lento oyithandayo, and making sure ukuthi you give it your all.
Thank you so much for your time and thank you for the words of encouragement. We wish you nothing but the best in your career and in your journey as a football player. Sharp. Thank you.
Yeah, so now guys, I'm with the coach of the winning team. Coach, can you kindly introduce yourself and your team?
Oh, sure. My name is Clarence Ramatsekisa, Mango FC coach. Introduction. Yeah.
Okay, coach. I've been here the whole day. I've been watching the game. So tell me about the tournament. How do you feel? And tell me about the run through this tournament. How you've been playing? How you've been like? How did you prepare your team through this tournament?
Okay, thank you. Tournament day, this team is still fresh, it's still new. Gonna read home out. The first time I joined a big tournament like 200,000. It was not easy. If you can check my team today, the game here today, nearly against the big team in Gauteng, Mudagasi, which is all of us. If you can check out team, is underdogs. But these guys, they work very well. I'm very happy with my boys. Like there's nothing. I'm very excited, man.
Okay, because most people here, I'm pretty sure that they didn't know and they didn't think that your team might win this game. So tell me, how do you prepare your players to win such games? Like, because this game was very huge.
It was not easy. Negiti unalbatho Blackberry. How to mark him? It's not like umulatele 4-4 to just guide him. Radala lebona, and then Buhle in the middle. There was a guy called Joshua also. Nagibe never Buhle or Rebakono udlala nice football. Never see the whole game. The boys push very well, man. I don't want to lie. From goalkeeper up to the striker, I'm very happy against got team the win it.
Okay, so what is your plan going forward through this tournament?
My plan, every team that I meet more grounding. I don't even know even one team. At least Mudagasi guy Jaja, because I've been watching Mudagasi all over Tembisa, this side, Negi Jaja, Mudagasi Nalibu Mani. But even the team that I'm going opponent against, I don't know even one team. I can't even plan. I just go with my players. Guys, let's read football. These guys, they come from all over Venda, all of them.
Okay, coach. I would like to see your club playing somewhere else, maybe in Kasi like Davidton, because so far, like, your team is playing very well. I hope, like, and I wish the best for your club, my mate. So yeah, I hope Uti, you can do well.
No, thank you. It's tournament number 2. We're still trying, man. And Resaibo now from this is tournament number 2 in Gauteng. Repalets game like now from 64 to 8. I'm happy with my player. All over the team and then organizers, we're still going to another tournament. It's not like Riafella or Kionari Toma. A lot of tournament 100% sure.
Okay, so which club you like to face since you are in the top 8?
Yes. I don't know how many teams let's be, man. I don't want to lie. We say the teams they got and which one is which one. The big team now is Madagascar. I don't know which one I'm going to face last 8.
Okay, coach. I'm gonna follow your team. Please tell people to subscribe and follow our channel, Speak in Vrostaan.
Thank you. I'll do so.
Tell them,
guys. Okay.
Speak in Vrostaan.
Okay, guys, let's make sure we follow the group. This group is very well known, and then we can see Tlanganani, Mango FC. We are on the last 8, which is I'm happy. You can subscribe on the group, and then I'm sure a lot of people they are going to follow this group.
Thank you, coach.
Thank you so much, man.
So yeah, guys, now I'm with the goalkeeper of the Mango FC. This guy did a crucial job for his club. He saved penalties. They won the game against Mutakasi. Goalkeeper, can you kindly introduce yourself?
Oh, my name is Austin Rapatlelo, but I go by the name of Mendy.
By the name of what?
Mendy.
Mendy.
Yes.
Oh, Mendy is your idol or what?
He's my idol. That's my role model.
Okay, because I've been watching this game. You did very well. Can you kindly tell me about the game? How do you feel so far?
No, we knew the game is not going to be easy from the start, but we had to fight. We have to do it for the chairman, because he's putting all the effort. So yeah, overall, I just wanted them there at the penalties. I knew they were not going to come out alive.
Also, you trust yourself when it comes to penalties?
Yes, there is no way that I'm going to lose on penalties. No.
Okay, so since your team is in the top 8, what is the plan? What as a goalkeeper, what are you looking forward to?
What I can tell is that you must watch out for this team. Just watch out. Then the rest will follow.
Okay, so when it comes to penalties, how do you prepare yourself as a goalkeeper?
No, just I'm playing many games. Then as long as you allow me to get into your head, then I'm done with you. I'm done. But I just have that instinct when it comes to penalties.
Okay, so far tell me, like, who's the hardest player you have faced so far in this tournament?
There's no player.
There's no player?
No one.
Who's the best player in your team?
The best player? No, in my team we don't. What can I say? I think Joshua. Yeah, I think Joshua.
Joshua, can you please come here? Maybe our viewers will want to see you. Where's Joshua?
Yeah.
Joshua. So guys, this is the best player of this team, Mr. Joshua. Which number do you wear, Mr.
14,
Joshua?
14, just number 14.
Do you score goals?
No, I just passed the ball, destroy in the middle, bro.
Okay.
I didn't score. I just pass the ball and destroy.
Okay, nice to meet you, Josh.
Thank you. Thank you.
Who's your favorite player, by the way?
Me? For now, I was following Kante, Ngolo Kante, Yaya Toure, you know. Yeah, that's my role model.
Okay, thanks.
Thank you, man.
Goalkeeper, your favorite goalkeeper?
Like I said before, Edward Mendy.
Mendy. Only Mendy.
And Testegen. Manuel Neuer.
Your favorite club?
Favorite club, it's only Orlando
Here
Pirates.
in Mzansi and abroad.
Orlando Pirates. Barcelona.
Abroad.
Barcelona.
Okay, thank you.
But Ritweri chairman, you're the biggest team. Mina give me biggest team. Shine Zantla pale, how? Shine Zantla. Oh, clap your hands. Banani mavoko. Sharp. Chairman, please tell us about yourself first. Yeah, rather. Tell us about yourself. Ubani, wagwabani, and what do you do?
Okay. I must not. Let's start again because I was busy wiping my face.
No, it's fine. It's raw. It's authentic.
Oh, it's raw.
Yes.
Oh, okay. My name is Pumran Nechibuyu. I'm the chairman of Mango FC. Mango FC has been established in 2022. It has been playing tournaments, but more especially in Venda. We just recently started to participate in tournaments around Gauteng. We started with the tournament at Chiawera, 32 top 32. There we lost on the first game. Then the second tournament that we participated, it was a tournament that was being played at Protea North at the Glen. We were knocked out on the last 8. Then our third tournament is Zamazama. Zamazama, it's a top 64 team wherein winner will have to take 200,000. Then we are new in these tournaments in Gauteng, and we are here to show all the Gauteng teams that Mango FC is here to test them and show them that we have arrived and we are going to beat them all the time. Yes.
So, Chairman, tell us about today's game. How do you feel? And on your own perspective, looking at your team playing, tell us about how you think they played compared to other tournaments that they have played in this tournament.
First of all, I will say that congratulations to the boys. The boys are dedicated. Some of these players, they come from Twando. They come on a Friday just to come and play this type of tournaments. It's commitment, dedication, and passion to make sure that they win on behalf of Mango FC. Today the boys went all out to make sure that the team wins this game. I think they were motivated because most of the games that we are playing before we met Mudagasi, it has been always favorite teams to win all these tournaments. And we are looking forward to face the next game and ensure that we beat them like we did to Mudagasi.
So obviously, building a team, it's not easy. Of course, there are some challenges that you face as a team. So tell us about the challenges you have faced as a team and individually.
Okay, the challenges that you face as a chairman is that you need to be financially stable because you need to spend money on transport. You need to spend money on food. You need to spend money on hotels. Like I said, most of these players, they travel all the way from 470 km from Venda to here in Gauteng. You need to ensure that some of the players, you give them money for transport so that they can be able to reach the soccer ground. It's a whole lot of commitment that as a chairman, you need to make sure that all these players are taken care of. Some of them, they will be needing e-wallet, and you don't have to be irritated when they ask for e-wallet individually. You just have to be there for them because most of these players, whichever money they're looking for is money to do important things, basic things, just to buy bread for their families and other stuff. Thanks.
So coming here and looking at this tournament as a whole, do you see it being a positive impact to the community?
Yes, I will say that it's a positive to the community because surrounding communities, they get benefit in terms of selling food, selling drinks, cold drinks, selling alcohol for those who drink. And I think the surrounding areas, they're benefiting a lot because obviously the number of people who are spending money within the soccer grounds, be sponsor shops, be hawkers, they are able to count money at the end of the day and say they've worked for so much money on that particular day. Thanks.
Okay. So what are your future hopes as a team, like in terms of building the team? What is it that you want out of your team?
I normally emphasize with the team players to say, for me, it's not about money. If we are playing these tournaments, like we have played other tournaments before, the most important thing is for these players to get an opportunity to be scouted by different teams. Even if one player gets scouted or two or three, I don't have any interest. That player will have to negotiate with whichever team that is interested in them, and that's it. My passion is to see these boys grow like any other player who's playing PPSL or outside the country in Europe, and ensure that they are able to get good contracts and they support their own families.
We admire the work that you're doing, and we wish you nothing but the best when it comes to you as an individual and the whole team in building the legacy that you are building. And thank you so much for your time.
Thank you very much. Thanks for giving us an opportunity to be part of your crew on the interview. Thanks. Cheers.
We have officially reached the end of our episode. Thank you so much for tuning in, guys, and being patient with us. Please do not forget to like, comment, subscribe, and turn on your post notifications so that every time we drop, you're already within most like animals. That's how we roll.
So yeah, guys, let me update you. Lana Sotra Orlando. Yo, bekushushu, bekumnandi, bebesiphathe kahle, ukudla kumnandi. We saw a lot of best players. Bekumnandi nje, guys. So yeah, when into kumele uyenze sicela nje ubukela ama video and tune in to our channel. Uzobona nje yonke into imnandi. Usifollow kuwo wonke ama socials. Ngeke disappoint. Speaking Vrostaan. We are Vrostaan lapha. Simnandi. Always.